In 1932, the Australian government declared war on an unlikely enemy, 20,000 emus. These giant birds were destroying farmland, so the military was sent in with machine guns to stop them. But the soldiers quickly realized they were outmatched. The emus proved to be incredible guerrilla fighters, splitting into small groups and running at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, making them almost impossible to hit. Even after firing thousands of rounds of ammunition, the army only managed to take down a fraction of the birds. The commander eventually withdrew his troops, admitting that the emus had won. It remains one of the most bizarre military defeats in history, proving that sometimes nature simply cannot be conquered by force. Who would have thought that a flightless bird could defeat a modern army?